Hey future scientists, welcome to an enlightening session of 3D questions from Steamspirations, where today we explore the fundamental concepts of density and buoyancy. I'm Mr. Lara, ready to guide you through how different materials interact with water. If you're new to these topics or need a quick refresher, our introductory resources are available in the link above. So let's get started and see how objects behave in water. Today in our lab, we've prepared an experiment with 6 distinct objects, each crafted from a unique material. This setup will help us directly observe and analyze how density influences whether objects sink or float. Your task is to place the following objects in a large bucket of water and observe their behavior: cork, marble, aluminum can, plastic toy, steel spoon, and an apple. Our question: which set of items is less dense than water? Choose a correct group and consider the guiding questions provided for each choice. Answer choice A: cork, plastic toy, and an apple. First, let's investigate. Why might these items float? Consider their material composition. Now let's analyze. How does the structure of each item contribute to its buoyancy? Next, we're going to predict. If these items are less dense than water, what does that imply about their structure and material properties? Answer choice B: marble, steel spoon, and an aluminum can. Let's investigate. Examine these materials' typical density. Are they usually more or less dense than water? Now let's analyze. What characteristics of these materials might influence their ability to sink? Next, let's predict. Considering their densities, would you expect these items to either float or sink? Answer choice C: cork, aluminum can, and an apple. So let's start by investigating again. What do these objects have in common that might affect their buoyancy? Next, let's analyze. Evaluate the potential air content and overall the density of each item. Now let's predict. Can the shape or construction of these items help them stay afloat, despite some being made of metal? Answer choice D: plastic toy, marble, and a steel spoon. So let's start by investigating. Assess the weight and volume of these objects. How might these factors affect their floating capabilities? Now let's analyze. Which of these items might defy expectations based on their buoyancy? Now let's predict. If any of these items float, what might be the reason behind this unexpected behavior? So let's closely observe each object as it interacts with water, forming hypotheses about their physical properties influencing their buoyancy or submersion. This is your chance to engage with science in action, applying your understanding of density and buoyancy in a practical setting. Remember to record your observations, reasoning, and conclusions in your Level Up workbook. This exercise will not only boost your scientific skills, but also prepare you for more advanced explorations. For more exciting content and updates, don't forget to join our channel. Let's harness your curiosity and enthusiasm for productive scientific exploration.